As the world of superbikes continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, Aprilia has once again set the benchmark with the release of the 2024 RSV4 Factory. This machine is not just a motorcycle. It's a testament to Aprilia's relentless pursuit of perfection on both track and street. The 2024 Aprilia RSV4 Factory stuns with its aggressive lines and aerodynamic profile. The new Speed White color scheme, available for a limited time, adds a touch of elegance to the bike's ferocious character. It's a design that's not only meant to cut through the air with minimal resistance, but also to turn heads wherever it goes. At the heart of the 2024 RSV4 Factory lies a powerhouse of performance. The 1100cc engine roars with an impressive 217 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. The integration of the new Magneti Marelli ECU11MP control system and a lighter exhaust contribute to a ride that's both exhilarating and compliant with the strict Euro 5 emission standards. As for the hardware, the 2024 Aprilia RSV4 Factory boasts a state-of-the-art suspension system that elevates its performance and ride quality to new heights. Here's what's new and exciting about the suspension system. The bike is equipped with the Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system, which represents the pinnacle of motorcycle suspension technology. This system has been meticulously fine-tuned through a collaborative effort between Öhlins engineers and Aprilia's own experts. It also has new customizable riding experience. The semi-active suspension system allows for a highly customizable riding experience, offers both semi-active and manual modes, easily switchable via handlebar buttons, catering to the rider's preference and the demands of the road or track. As for the lighting system and electronics, the lighting system of the 2024 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The motorcycle features a full LED headlight unit that not only provides superior illumination but also contributes to the bike's aggressive and modern look. In addition, the RSV4 Factory is equipped with perimeter daytime running lights, which ensure that the motorcycle stands out in daylight conditions for better safety. The advanced lighting system also includes a bending lights function which enhances visibility when cornering by adjusting the light beam according to the lean angle, offering better illumination of the road ahead during night rides. The 2024 Aprilia RSV4 Factory features a state-of-the-art color TFT display. This display acts as the interface for the bike's comprehensive electronics suite, which includes 6 ride modes to tailor the bike's performance to different riding conditions and preferences, with lean-sensitive traction control and ABS for enhanced safety and performance, especially in corners. The bike also comes with engine maps that's allowing the rider to choose different engine behaviors with engine brake control settings. All these features are accessible through the intuitive TFT display, ensuring that riders have all the necessary information and customization options at their fingertips. The APRC system with a 6-axis inertial platform includes cornering ABS, rear-wheel lift-up mitigation, with advanced braking system, providing riders with a suite of electronic aids to tailor their riding experience.